Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off your study reminder on Quizlet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Quizlet app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Quizlet on in the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Just tap over there or click on it, and now you can see the settings option. So you simply need to select that option. And now you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the study reminder option, and at the right side you can find the switch where it is turned off right now. So you simply need to click on that switch and you'll be able to turn on successfully, and if you click on it again it will turn off, and vice versa. So basically this is how you can turn on or off your study reminder on Quizlet. And if you're still encountering any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our next content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.